Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night with a sudden, excruciating leg cramp that leaves you gripping your calf in agony? Or perhaps you've been enjoying a peaceful afternoon with your grandchildren when that familiar, dreaded tightness begins to creep up your leg, forcing you to cut short those precious moments. If you're nodding along, you've come to the right place. I'm going to tell you 3 everyday fruits that hold extraordinary power to help banish leg cramps naturally. The solution might already be sitting in your fruit bowl, and at the end of the video, I'll reveal other small tips to help you reduce leg cramps. All natural. So make sure to stay until the end. These final secrets could be the game changers you've been searching for. Before we dive into the 3 incredible fruits that can help your legs, let's talk about what's really happening when those painful cramps strike. Leg cramps in seniors aren't random. They're your body's way of telling you it needs specific minerals. When these get out of balance, your muscles become hypersensitive and start cramping. The main culprits are usually electrolyte imbalances, especially low potassium and magnesium levels. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing these minerals from food. For many seniors, taking medications like diuretics for blood pressure, which can flush these essential nutrients right out of your system. But here's the good news. Nature has provided us with some incredible solutions that are both safe and effective. The 3 fruits we're about to explore aren't just delicious. They're packed with exactly what your muscles need to stay relaxed and cramp-free. Now, let's start with the most familiar one, bananas. Now, you've probably heard that bananas are good for cramps before, but let me tell you exactly why they're so powerful for seniors dealing with leg pain. Potassium is like the conductor of an orchestra for your muscles. It helps electrical signals travel smoothly between your nerves and muscles, keeping everything in perfect harmony. A medium banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium. That's roughly 12% of what your body needs each day. When your potassium levels drop too low, those signals get scrambled. Your muscles start misfiring, becoming overly excitable, and that's when you get those sudden, painful cramps that can wake you up in the middle of the night. But bananas don't stop there. Each one also gives you about 32 milligrams of magnesium, which works as your muscle's natural relaxer. Think of magnesium as the off switch for muscle tension. It helps your muscles release and unwind after they contract. Besides the vital nutrients, not a lot of people actually know that. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which supports your nervous system health. This vitamin helps regulate the neurotransmitters that control muscle movement and reduces inflammation, helping your muscles recover faster. The beauty of bananas is their convenience. You can eat one in the morning with breakfast, slice it over oatmeal, or even have half a banana about an hour before bedtime to help prevent those nighttime cramps. I have a friend, John, who's just turned 70 years old and is currently living in Arizona, USA. He used to suffer from severe nighttime leg cramps that would wake him up several times a week. John started eating 1 banana with yogurt each day, and within a few weeks, he completely resolved his cramping issue. He now sleeps peacefully through the night and hasn't had a single episode in months. Though magical as it is, there's something to remember. For seniors with diabetes, choose slightly green bananas, which digest more slowly and won't spike your blood sugar as much. 1 banana daily is usually perfect for most people, though if you're experiencing frequent cramps, you might benefit from 2 smaller bananas spread throughout the day. But what if you're not a fan of bananas? No need to worry. The next fruit on the list is even more powerful and can definitely help ease your leg cramps. A lot of people might not know this, but a medium avocado actually contains more potassium than a banana. So, if you're looking to boost your potassium intake, avocado is an excellent choice. We're talking about 600 to 700 milligrams of potassium in just one avocado compared to the 420 milligrams in a banana. Avocados also bring something extra to the table that bananas can't match. They're packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. These aren't just any fats. They're the kind that actually help reduce inflammation in your muscles and joints. Think of inflammation as the troublemaker that makes your muscles more prone to cramping and stiffness. Avocados also provide about 58 milligrams of magnesium per fruit, which represents about 14% of what your body needs daily. Remember, magnesium is that natural muscle relaxer we talked about with bananas, and avocados give you nearly twice as much. Here's what makes avocados particularly interesting for seniors dealing with joint pain or arthritis along with leg cramps. Those healthy fats contain compounds that have been shown to help reduce joint inflammation and stiffness. So you're not just preventing cramps, you're potentially helping your overall mobility and comfort. The versatility of avocados is incredible. You can mash half an avocado onto whole grain toast for breakfast, dice it over a salad, or blend it into a smoothie with yogurt and leafy greens. Just half an avocado daily provides significant amounts of both potassium and magnesium. And here is something not a lot of people know. Did you know that you can use avocado seeds to treat joint pain? Avocado seeds are rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients that work together to fight inflammation and support joint health. The seed can be ground into powder and incorporated into daily routines through avocado seed tea, smoothie boosters, or applied as topical paste. Comment below if you want us to make an instructional video on how to do these things. One important note, if you have chronic kidney disease or take certain blood pressure medications, the high potassium content might be a concern. Always check with your doctor first, just like you would with bananas. Now let's discover the final fruit on our list today, orange. This might come as a surprise to a lot of people. Orange? How can they possibly prevent leg cramps? Let me explain why oranges deserve a spot in your daily routine if you're dealing with muscle cramping. Oranges bring something unique to the table that bananas and avocados can't match. They're over 80% water. This is huge because dehydration is also one of the most common triggers for leg cramps in seniors. When your body doesn't have enough fluid, your blood becomes thicker, making it harder for nutrients to reach your muscles. And that's when cramping often strikes. But oranges aren't just about hydration. A medium orange contains about 240 milligrams of potassium, plus smaller amounts of calcium and magnesium. That essential mineral trio we keep talking about for proper muscle function. While it's not as potassium dense as bananas or avocados, oranges make up for it with their incredible vitamin C content. Vitamin C becomes important for muscle health because it's a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in your muscle tissue. Think of inflammation as rust on metal. It makes everything work less smoothly. Vitamin C helps keep that rust at bay, supporting faster muscle recovery and reducing the likelihood of painful cramping episodes. The beauty of oranges is that you can eat them fresh or drink pure orange juice for rapid hydration when you feel a cramp coming on. 1 to 2 oranges daily, or a glass of fresh orange juice, not only helps prevent cramps, but also boosts your immune system and supports healthy digestion. However, if you have gastroesophageal reflux disease or kidney issues, you'll want to limit orange consumption due to their acidic nature and potassium content. Although these 3 fruits are highly effective in preventing leg cramps, their benefits don't come from diet alone. They deliver the best results when paired with a few simple lifestyle adjustments. One of the most crucial factors is staying hydrated. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily and limit coffee and alcohol consumption, especially in the evening. Both beverages have diuretic effects that can pull water from your system and trigger nighttime cramping. You should also gently stretch your leg muscles regularly. Before and after physical activity helps keep muscles flexible. When you do experience a cramp, try gentle walking rather than staying still. The movement helps restore blood flow and eases cramping faster. And of course, maintain a balanced diet with leafy greens, nuts, and lean proteins beyond these fruits. If you smoke, consider quitting, as nicotine restricts blood flow to muscles, making cramping more likely. But remember, for severe or frequent cramping that doesn't improve, make sure to consult your healthcare provider. And that concludes our video for today. Have you tried any of these fruits for leg cramps? Which one sounds most appealing to add to your daily routine? Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing your stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health solutions, and I'll see you in the next video.